Ooh. I think we found it. I don't know if I'm getting this for sure. And that's how you know the difference. See, look, ingredients. Literally, just argan oil. This is why you gotta pay attention. Look at the ingredients. Castor oil, some other soybean oil, some other stuff. Castor oil. That's it. So I'm getting this one. Hey boos, hey beats, hey boos, hey beats. So y'all saw that. I just came from Target and Kroger. I got all the stuff I need for the Cardi B hair masking tutorial. So basically you need a banana, 2 avocados, 2 eggs, some mayonnaise, some honey, olive oil, argan oil. She uses this one specifically, so I made sure I picked up that one, and black extra dark castor oil. She doesn't say which kind, but I'm assuming it's one of these are related to this one. And this one, like I showed y'all, literally only has that one ingredient in it. That's why I preferred this one. And same for this. Really picky about what I'm doing, which, you know, ingredients I picked or whatever, because I'm paying attention to the ingredients that's in the jars. And that's why I picked this one, because the ingredients, first of all, I knew exactly what every ingredient was in this mayonnaise, and it wasn't anything that I was worried about putting in my hair. So yeah. And pretty much all the other ingredients, like other mayonnaises I looked at, had these simple ingredients or these similar ingredients. The only difference was they had stuff like gum and just had stuff in it that I wasn't comfortable with putting in my hair. So this is our task for the day. We're doing a Cardi B hair mask. Okay, I'm making the Cardi B hair mask. I forgot that I was supposed to be filming this, so I had already added banana. It's 1 banana in this recipe and 2 avocados, and that's what I'm about to do. Okay. I don't eat avocado, not even gonna lie. So putting it in my hair, ooh, it's great. It's gonna be real interesting. Now, I've seen videos on how you cut them. I have to be real careful. But I think I did a good job. And then you supposed to twist it. It's perfect. Look at that. It's all extra ripe and stuff. Look at that. It's first time on everything, you know. I wouldn't eat it though. I'm still not eating that. It's cute, but that's it. Try. I'll do this a different way. Oh, this smells really earthy. Very earthy. Ooh. Very earthy. I'm so excited about this because I figured out a really good way to tell the good ones from the bad ones. And these are really the best 2 I found. So hopefully the other one looks like this one, because I really picked the good one. This is pretty. Very pretty. This is so earthy. It smells like a tree. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it. This is perfect. It's all nothing left behind. No avocado left behind. So that's what, a 4th. That's what we gotta do. We gotta do another avocado. Oh, why my eyes burning? I'm assuming that's good. This is dope. I wonder if I can plant this. What would this turn into? An avocado. One more time. Because, you know, I do everything well. Everything. I've never done this before. So, again, be very, very careful. Absolutely perfect. Twist it. I am so proud of myself. Like, there is no, y'all, hold on. There are no imperfections in these. I got these from Kroger. Perfect avocados from Kroger. Because I've never done this before. I keep saying, oh, shit. I don't know when to ruin it. It's too perfect. There it goes. Anywho, it's not that bad. Scoop him out for her, you know, them. Perfect. No avocado left behind. Again, absolutely perfect. Not even a bruise. Perfect. That's dope. Okay. Now, one thing I am gonna add is some honey. This is also part of the recipe that I looked up. I didn't see any real specific instructions about like using a blender or nothing like that. I chose to do this on my own. So if it is part of the instructions, it's a coincidence. I wanted to blend this up myself. When I saw the pictures of what she did, it looked like she had mashed it up with a fork. And I'm actually gonna blend this up and strain it in a bowl so it's a little more smoothie. I don't want it to be all chunky. One thing she did say, she don't add like a bunch of honey, which is a good point because it'll be too sticky and you don't want that. Don't ask me how I got that open. You also said, okay, first off, I want to say this real quick. This is raw honey, unfiltered, organic. I love this little Simple Truth brand because it's like, they have a lot of varieties and it's not too expensive for it to be organic. I really like that. And it's good. So I was looking at as y'all saw in the video, I was looking at the ingredients on the mayonnaise because I ain't want nothing like too unnecessary in my hair. Like, why would I put ingredients I don't know how to pronounce in my hair? Let alone my body, but you know, we ain't going there that day. Sunflower oil, organic certified, human free range, egg yolk, so them chickens was free and happy. You know, ain't no caged up chickens over here. Water, distilled vinegar, salt, fair trade organic cane sugar, organic lemon juice, citric acid, and lemon oil. Contains eggs. So I don't mind putting those things in my hair at all. It's the stuff I can't pronounce and the colors and stuff that we don't need all that. I got it. So she said 1 extra large scoop. But again, she didn't say, oh, see, look at that. Oh my goodness. There you go. 1 extra large scoop. She does not hold up on the oils, which I really, what the, oh, that's the avocado. My counter was clean. Okay. She's not stingy with the oils now. I'll say these first. She said olive oil, so again, organic Simple Truth. You know me, Simple Truth, me and you can have a talk if you want, you know, because I like a lot of y'all stuff, and I know y'all don't like me too, so, you know. But I got some of this olive oil. I use olive oil for many things, on my body and my food, so I didn't mind putting it in my hair. The extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. I showed y'all in another video too to pay attention to the ingredients that are in these oils. I was really looking like, I'm not putting nothing unnecessary in my hair. The only ingredient in here is castor oil. Like, that's all you need. And then she uses the Shea Moisture 100% pure argan oil. And she specifically said the Shea Moisture one. So we ain't got that one. I don't think she specified the castor oil, but I'm familiar with this brand and I like it. So I can have no problem getting that one. This I got on my own. It's organic golden jojoba oil. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this in here too. She doesn't really say how much, but she doesn't spare any. So I guess that means she uses a lot. I don't know. We just gonna start with some and then get it to the consistency I like. Hold on, that's too expensive to be. So I already used some of this, like when I had blow dry my hair, I put some oil on it afterwards. So it's down to here right now, and I'm gonna pour like half of the bottle in here. And this is 100% pure argan oil. Y'all know argan oil is that good stuff, honey. It's that good stuff, honey. This is the black castor oil. I don't know if she specified black castor oil, but I know she said castor oil. And this is the castor oil I'm familiar with. So this was, again, you can see my hair used a little bit. So it's down to here right now. I'm gonna keep pouring some. I plan on doing this monthly. Somewhere down here you will see, I'm gonna show you pictures of how she said it grew her and culture hair out. Culture's her daughter, you don't know that. So my hair is finally growing. Yup, I'm happy too. Yup, show them. So, I want to use these type of masks to keep my hair. Yup, you see it. Yup, you see it. To keep my hair growing and stuff. So I'm putting the jojoba oil in here. I want this to be creamy but not loose. I don't want it to be like running down my neck. I want it to like sit in my hair comfortably, like while I'm in my bathtub. So we just gonna chug a lug on that. That's already been open. I've been had that, you know. And then, ooh, this was not open. I saved this specifically for this mask. I already have like 3-4 bottles of olive oil all around my house. No cap. So I did this. So you see it's a nice amount of oil in here. And I'm gonna leave the thing out of the middle of this so I can add some more oil if I want to. So I'm nervous. I am going to blend it. I'm gonna blend it, but I'm gonna pulse it. Y'all see that? One avocado left. I don't know why I'm licking my lips. This don't look good. I would not put this on any fatigue. Oh shoot. Y'all see this bubbling like this? This look like baby doodle. If you a mama, you know exactly what I'm talking about, bro. Oh, hold on. One of these avocados is not going down without a fight, bro. Ooh, yeah, that was explosive. Yeah, see that? Did I get anything? Okay. So the whole camera fell off. I like this consistency. It's nice and thick. Well, not thick, but it's not runny. This can sit my, you see that? It's not dripping. It's not dripping. It can sit in my hair. So I like this, exactly like this. I guess I got the Cardi B eyeball, cause you know. But no, I take that back because mine don't look like hers. And as a matter of fact, I'm not going to strain it because this is exactly what I want it to look like. I'm not gonna strain it. So this is perfect. This is perfect. Now I'm gonna put it in my hair. And I want it to sit in my hair while I'm in the bathtub, y'all. Okay, so I'm about to take this out because I want to show y'all the consistency of it. And if I didn't make this clear, Y'all, this smells really earthy and strong. I might do this after I get out my bath. I don't know. The smell of this is real deep. Oh, I think one of these might be enough, actually. Y'all see how thick it is? You see the consistency of it? I like the way this came out. There's like some itty bitty, I guess like skin or seeds or something in here. I could strain this through, but again, I don't think I need to. Look, it's all green over here. It's really all green over here. Green, green, go green. I'm excited to put this in my hair. After I treat it, I'm cupping my hands. I'll show y'all all of that.